Children, could there be other ways to bring a change in an object? You might have seen this in the bullock cart. And we all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil also. Okay, we are using different types of tools to dig the soil. Then, have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools is fixed to the wooden handle? Let us learn it. Actually, children, the iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, the ring is very smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size. That means it expands. Then what will happen, children? Yes, the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle. In this way, we are fixing the wooden handle to tools like spade, axe, etc. Such a change is also used for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart that you can see in the figure. And here the metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. On heating, the rim expands and fits onto the wheel. Cold water is then poured over the rim, which contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel. The metal rim gets fixed. So in this way we are fixing the wooden rim to the wheel of the cart. Children, when we heat water in a pan, it begins to boil after some time. If we continue to heat further, the quantity of water in the pan begins to decrease. Do you know the reason behind it? Yes, when we heat the water, it changes into its vapor state. Children, what will happen when we cool that water vapor? Yes, we know that water vapor gets changed into liquid when it is cooled. Children, in the last module we have seen the melting of ice. Ice melts when it is heated. What does it change into? Is it possible to change this water back into ice? Yes, by heating we can change the water to ice again.